It's time for nature studies. It's time for nature studies. Birds and bees and plants and trees. It's time for nature studies. Welcome, everyone. Let's have some fun.
Hi everyone! I brought some shapes for us to look for today. We're going to take a walk around my neighborhood, and you can take a walk around your neighborhood, and we're going to look for some shapes. A square, a circle, a rectangle, a triangle, a diamond or a rhombus, and an oval. You might not find all of these, but I'm sure you'll find some. I also left some blank space at the bottom of my paper, just in case we found some different shapes that aren't already pictured here. So are you ready to take a walk? Let's get going. Here's the first thing I found on my shape hunt. 3 rectangles. They're windows in a house on my street. Let's keep looking. How about this mail slot? What shape do you think it could be? Rectangle, that's right. Here's some pretty flowers. As I'm walking along, I see a shape ahead. What is it? It's a big circle. And if I back up, you can see that that circle is in the middle of a square. 2 shapes in one. Here's a familiar shape, a stop sign. But count the sides, starting at the top. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. That is an octagon. 8 sides. Here's some stepping stones. 1, 2, 3, and they are each what shape? A square. All 4 sides are the same. They are squares. Here's a box on a telephone pole. Another square. Do you see the diamonds? There's a big diamond with a smaller diamond inside. 2 diamonds. Look at this. A circle, hole, and a rectangle door. 2 shapes in one. Let's keep going. Do you see the triangle in the broken sidewalk? 3 sides makes a triangle. What shape are these 2 windows? 1, 2. All 4 sides are the same. They are squares. Here's an interesting shape. It has a star with 2 circles around it. Can you find it? A star with 2 circles. Look at this fence. It's one long rectangle next to each other. Each board is a rectangle. What shapes do you see in this fence? They kind of look like a kite shape. Those are a diamond or a rhombus. They're the same thing, just different names. A diamond or a rhombus. This driveway is a mix of rectangles and squares. Rectangles and squares. Then I was noticing in the yard another octagon. Look at these beautiful flowers. And here I'm coming to another octagon. Just like our stop sign, 8 sides, octagon. What shape are 4 tires? Circles. Here's a mailbox. Each door, 5, 6, 7, and 8, are rectangles, but the locks where the keys go are circles. There's some bricks going around a flower bed. That shape is long on the top and the bottom and short on the ends. Rectangles. Bricks are rectangles. This window has squares. Not the top two, because the top is curved, not straight, so those are not squares. But I see 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 squares. Look at these garage doors. They have 2 rectangles on the top and 1, 2, 3, 4 triangles on the bottom. That's a great mix of shapes. This leaf is close to what shape? It's long but round on the ends. An oval. It's not exactly, but very close. Look, I found a letter W. And the W is on a circle. The W is for water. This is where the water meter will be. This pole is full of circles. Here's some different bricks. They're still rectangles, but on each rectangle there's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 circles. 8 circles on each rectangle. Here's a parking garage gate full of rectangles. Here's some great rectangle flags. I see purple, blue, green, red, and yellow. Take a look at this sign. What a crazy arrow. Look at the shape of the sign. It's a diamond. Very good. Here's a gate at our park. The gate has 4 rectangles. Finally, I found an oval. The sign on this door is an oval with a star. Here is a square, but across the middle is a line making that square into 2 triangles. A little further up, there's a smaller square, just a square, no triangles. Here's some stairs. Rectangles, rectangles, and more rectangles. Take a look at this tree. What a great oval! Right there in the middle. Wonderful. There's a house number written on an oval. Can you read those numbers? 4, 3, 1, 4. All on an oval. A rectangle with an arrow. Maybe that arrow is telling me to walk that way. Take a look at these bricks. They have square holes. And I've made it back to my house. You'll see my garage door is a lot of rectangles also. Back home, I'm going to use my key to open the circle lock, and I will be home. I hope you enjoyed the tour. Bye-bye.